Kia ora tātou, welcome to this video where we look at ionic radius, or radii, and we'll specifically be comparing the radius of ions with their corresponding atoms. So we will do a cation and an anion, so the trends stay the same between cations and anions. So we'll start with lithium. So the lithium atom has got 3 protons in its nucleus, and then it's got 2 electrons in its first shell and 1 electron in the second shell, and then the lithium cation will lose that electron, so that's still got a charge of 3+, but it's only got 2 electrons in its outer shell. So quite intuitively you can look at this and realize that the lithium ion is going to have a smaller radius. So when we're explaining this in an exam, we would say that lithium and the lithium ion have the same number of protons. However, the lithium ion has 1 less energy level. So therefore has a smaller radius. You can add in your answer as well that you know that from lithium to the lithium ion it lost an electron. So let's have a look now at fluorine. We'll keep the periodic table there and just get rid of all of this. So the fluorine atom has, because there's 9, has an atomic number of 9, so it's got 9 protons in its nucleus. So that means it's got 9 electrons when it's an atom. I'll try that second one again. Whoa, here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 7 electrons are in the valence shell there. The fluorine ion, fluoride, will have still got 9 protons in its nucleus. It's got 2 electrons in the first shell, and then this time it's now going to gain an electron. So it's going to have 8 electrons in its outer shell. So the difference between these two is that they've still got the same number of protons, so they've still got 9 protons in their nucleus, but because there is an extra electron in the valence shell for fluoride, there's something called electron-electron repulsion. So that is because they're like charges, they're going to repel, so that is going to be increased in the fluoride ion, which will push the electrons further away and mean that the fluoride ion is going to have a greater radius. So to write that in an answer, we would say that they both have the same number of protons. We'd say that fluoride has gained an electron into the same valence shell. So explaining that we know that they both have the same number of energy levels, and then we would say that the electron to electron repulsion has increased, so the electrons are going to push further away. Will move further apart is the way that it's written in the exam answer, and then we just give like a final knockout sentence saying therefore the ionic radius of F- is greater than fluorine. And that's it. So yeah, the questions will always be comparing the ion to its atom. So anions will get a larger radius because they're gaining electrons into that same energy level, whereas because cations have lost an energy level entirely, they're going to have a smaller radius than their corresponding atom. So thanks for that. We'll move on to either electronegativity or ionic first ionization energy in the next videos. See you.